If you feel tired, bloated, or sleepy after Tai Chi, you might not be eating the right foods. Today, I'll show you what to eat after Tai Chi to feel lighter, reduce belly fat, and keep your energy steady, especially after 50. Why post-Tai Chi food matters. After Tai Chi, your body is in a recovery mode. Your muscles are relaxed. Your breathing is slower. Your digestion is more sensitive. What you eat now can either help your body recover and burn fat, or make you feel heavy, sleepy, and bloated. Many adults over 50 make this mistake. They eat too much or eat the wrong type of food right after gentle exercise. And instead of feeling better, they feel tired and uncomfortable. Foods to avoid after Tai Chi. Now, let's talk about what not to eat right after Tai Chi practice. After Tai Chi, your body is not in a high-intensity workout mode. You're not burning fuel fast like during running or gym exercises. Instead, Tai Chi brings your body into a deep recovery state. Your breathing slows down, your nervous system calms, and your digestion becomes more sensitive. What you eat at this moment can either support recovery and steady energy, or make you feel heavy, bloated, and tired. 1. Fried and greasy foods. This includes fried foods, fast food, fatty, or heavily processed meats. These foods take a long time to digest, especially after age 50. They put extra strain on your stomach and can lead to bloating, sluggishness, and fat storage around the belly, even if you exercise regularly. 2. Sugary snacks and drinks, such as cookies and pastries, candy, sugary drinks, or sweetened juices. Sugar causes a quick spike in energy, followed by a sudden crash. That crash often shows up as afternoon fatigue, sleepiness, and low focus. 3. Large portions. Even healthy foods can become a problem when the portion is too large after practice. Eating too much can create pressure in the stomach, digestive discomfort, and a heavy, sluggish feeling later in the day. After Tai Chi, remember this simple rule: lighter is better. What to eat. So if those foods are not ideal, what should you eat after Tai Chi? The good news is, you don't need anything complicated or heavy. In the next part, I'll show you simple, gentle foods that help your body recover, support belly fat reduction, and keep your energy steady, especially after 50. Let's take a look. The best foods to eat after Tai Chi. Now, let's talk about what actually helps your body after Tai Chi. After practice, your body doesn't need a big meal. What it needs is gentle support. Foods that help you recover without making you feel heavy or uncomfortable. 1. Light protein, small portions. Protein is important, especially after age 50. It helps maintain muscle strength, supports recovery, and plays a role in reducing belly fat over time. The key here is small and light. Good options include 1 boiled egg, a small bowl of plain Greek yogurt, soft tofu. These protein sources are easy to digest and don't overload your stomach. You don't need a large portion, just enough to tell your body everything is okay. You can recover now. 2. Gentle carbohydrates. Your body also needs a little fuel after Tai Chi, but not too much. Light carbohydrates help keep your energy steady without causing bloating or sugar crashes. Good choices are half a banana, 1 small apple, a handful of berries. These foods provide natural energy and are much easier on your digestion than bread, pastries, or sweets. 3. Warm liquids. This part is often overlooked, but it's very important, especially after 50. Warm liquids help your digestive system wake up gently. Try warm water. Herbal tea, such as ginger or chamomile. Avoid very cold drinks right after practice. Cold temperatures can slow digestion and create discomfort in the stomach. When you keep your post-Tai Chi meal simple, warm, and light, your body can recover more smoothly. Your energy stays stable, and your belly feels noticeably more comfortable. Eat plus slow breathing. This part is very important, and it's something many people overlook. After Tai Chi, your body is calm, your breathing is slower, your nervous system is relaxed. Before you eat, take a moment, sit down, let your shoulders drop, and take 3 slow breaths. Inhale gently through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. These few breaths send a clear message to your body. It's safe to digest now. When your body feels safe, your digestion works better. Your stomach feels lighter, and your energy stays more stable. As you begin to eat, keep everything slow and simple. Take small bites. Chew slowly. Pause between bites. Try not to rush, and avoid eating while standing or distracted. You don't need a large meal. You don't need to finish everything on the plate. Listen to your body. Slow eating, combined with slow breathing, helps reduce belly bloating, prevents that heavy, sleepy feeling afterward, and supports healthier fat metabolism over time. Think of this as an extension of your Tai Chi practice. Tai Chi doesn't end when you stop moving. It continues in how you breathe, how you eat, and how you allow your body to recover. When you eat with awareness and calm, your body responds with balance, and that balance makes all the difference. Especially after 50, timing matters. You don't need to eat immediately. Best timing, 15 to 30 minutes after Tai Chi. This allows breathing to settle heart rate, to slow digestion, to wake up gently. If you're not hungry, that's okay. A warm drink may be enough. Simple daily example. Here's a simple example. After Tai Chi, warm water, half a banana, 1 boiled egg, light, balanced, easy to digest, no heaviness, no crash. Closing. Tai Chi doesn't just change how you move, it changes how your body recovers. Eat lightly, breathe slowly, listen to your body. If you'd like more gentle routines to reduce belly fat safely after 50, please check the playlist linked below in the description. It's called Waist and Belly Fat After 50, and it's designed to help you move safely, feel lighter, and stay consistent. Move slowly, eat mindfully, and take good care of yourself.